instant gratification. I thought he said I have a hole in my butt.
No, you
don't?
You haven't touched it yet.
It's still morning. Okay, engage time lapse. Let's go. What's up, people? We are back with the King Zero V12 supercar build, yes! And doesn't it look amazing? I'm gonna say I'm super happy with it. So Gavin, the Zoomer, is not back today, but of course back is the Boomer. Jacob is here. He has metal, he is already working. Wait, where you go? We gotta do a video.
I'm working.
I know, but so was I.
Really?
Long
what
pause.
were you doing?
I was doing businessy office things and corresponding. I already started painting a table. That's work.
You had my hopes up this morning.
Why?
I pulled in the parking lot and I saw the truck.
Yeah.
I said, "Oh, Casey's here," and I tried the door.
I was.
Fooled me.
All right. So I made it here at 8:40 instead of 8:30.
Okay. Well,
that's pretty good.
Well, what a difference 2 weeks makes.
What does that mean?
No snow on the ground.
Yes.
I get to drive here.
It's pretty.
I get to drive here with the sun up.
Excuse me, you also texted me and we're going to be late from time to time.
Did I text you to say that today?
No, but anyway, okay, let's move on.
Okay.
So the Zoomer's not here today. Gavin's not here.
Unfortunately.
No, sadly. So what do you got here? What's this all about?
This is the top piece on the other side.
Oh, neat. Okay, so we'll show them that.
Just starting to cut that out. So.
Awesome. Okay, cool. So we'll probably time lapse that in just about a second here. But I want to show them my table.
Also, you want to talk a little bit about the panels? We've got a little bit of curve into it.
Yeah, we got to do that. I'm going to show them. We'll do that in a second. I'm going to show them my table. Yes. Yes. Look at this mighty table. It's like a barge. Yes. Look at this. This is great. Yes, woo! Okay, so what the deal is with this table, it's actually not for the King Zero, but it's something I made that's super hefty that you can put a car on for a reason, because we're gonna put a car on it. And so right now—
we're not gonna put a Studebaker on it or anything like that.
You know, that's more like a battleship.
Yeah.
Okay, so but like a lightweight race car, you can put it up on here. So long story short, I'm not working on the Zero for a second this morning. I'm finishing this table because I've got to put the IndyCar chassis that's being built in the Formula One hot rod up on this, so that then I can like screw things to it and draw designs and measurements and crap on the table. So I'm painting this whole thing white up here so I can actually write on it, draw it, and build another car. And then I'm gonna work on the King Zero, or Jacob will kill me.
Well, I'd be pretty surprised when you start working on that King Zero again.
Well, I'd like to see you be
surprised. You haven't touched it yet.
It's still morning. Okay, engage time lapse. Let's go. time lapse over, and Jacob just said to me while the heater kicked on, he said, what did you say? You have a what?
You're not going to do that to me.
What? You
I
said,
have to hold in my gut.
He said, hold in my gut. I thought he said, I have a hole
you make
in
me
my
look,
butt.
No, you're
You
so,
don't?
You're so skinny.
I got one.
You're so skinny, you make me look fat.
I don't get to eat so much, which, but you know, which is amazing because in all these videos, you totally dominated that time lapse action.
Answer this honestly.
Oh God, here we go.
Have you touched this thing yet today?
Yes, I have.
Oh, you cheated.
Come on now. I have to get this darn table done to put the IndyCar on so that tomorrow and everything else we can get on it.
Okay, whatever.
All right. So this will be fun. Also, I got to tell you what. I have jacked my shoulder because I thought parkouring at a truck stop was a good idea when the concrete was wet. It was not. To which my wife said, you know you're not 20 anymore, right? You got anything to say on that?
Well, I always wish I was 20 again.
I jacked my shoulder, man. Okay, so anyway, the table looks pretty, but this looks pretty. Why don't we talk about this? Jacob, you cut out these 4 panels here that fill in, and you haven't rolled them on an English wheel at all yet. So
No.
what are you working on right here? What's the deal?
Of course, the first thing we did this morning was to roll these in the English wheel, just to give them a
This
little
one?
bit of give them a little bit of a shape to them, so that they don't drum.
Right,
Bass drum
exactly.
type thing.
Because one, if it's dead flat, it doesn't really look that good. It's really easy for it to warp, and it's super easy, like you said, turn into a drum and just vibrate. So even cars that you think are dead flat, like a Countach hood or something, it still has the tiniest amount of crown to it. So do we want to kind of walk over there real quick and show them how you did that? Like what piece on the English wheel to give it a super minor crown only in one direction? Why don't we just tell them?
Okay.
You put the inner tube around the top wheel, right?
I did not.
You didn't?
That wasn't this. This was just a light rolling.
Oh, you just did a super light roll.
Super light, yeah.
But with these pieces, are you going to roll these? Or do you think we're going to actually go flat because they're so small?
I might give them, I might touch them just a little bit, but
Maybe this one.
yeah.
This
because
one's
it's
got
so broad.
a twist in it that kind of
Yeah.
gives it its strength.
Yeah, this because of that twist, it might need a little tweaking.
Yeah.
Because it wants to oil can a little bit.
Yeah, that's a good point. We probably will need to. And then I should come back to this piece up here and do some more tack welding on this because there's places where the metal is wavy, which won't help us get this right. All right.
But we're starting to get everything enclosed in the shell there.
Definitely. Also, this video is going to encompass 2 days. We have Doug coming tomorrow. So I don't know what time it is here. What do you think about grabbing lunch quick?
Sounds great to me.
Okay, see you next time lapse. Oh, what's up, people? We are back from lunch, and the table legs are now painted a funny color from the Jackal, which was the Stop with Camo biplane to help students build with Genius Garage a few years back. We still had leftover paint, wasn't total junk, and it worked. And right now, Jacob the boomer, is on his cell phone talking to presumably his girlfriend. And I have used this opportunity to showcase him being on the phone, so it looks like I'm doing all the work because I got a welding helmet on and I painted this table. Oh, well, crap, he's like, here he comes. Here he comes. Hey, you been talking to your girlfriend? You getting any work done?
What did I hear you say?
I said you just...
The one time.
You're gabbing on the phone?
The one time.
Look at this. I painted the table. I'm ready to work. And look at him. He's wearing jewelry. He looks bright and sunshiny talking to his girlfriend. Mm-hmm. That's what they'll believe.
Did you tell him all the things that I've done today?
No, I was talking about how great I look in a welding helmet.
You do look rather dapper.
It's because you can't see my receding hairline.
Yeah, well, here, mine is out there.
Yours is better than mine will
be. For the whole world to see. I am not ashamed of it.
When 900 years old you reach look this good, you will not.
Yes.
Okay, so what are we working on? What are you working on?
I've been working on panels for this beautiful beast.
Yeah, we should look at that. I'm gonna grab the camera and we're gonna look at that. All right. Yes, oh gosh, POV. Yes, look at this. All right, so let's look at these panels because they're pretty sweet.
Okay. Well,
hey, hold on. You're making me be a camera person and a mic person.
We talked about these earlier. We got those done.
Okay.
This is the latest one I've been working on. We gave it a nice roll.
Hold on. You have to know how impossible it is for me to hold the mic and the camera.
How may I be of assistance to you, sir? I'm sorry. You want me to hold this? Want me to hold this? I'll hold this.
Yeah, you hold that and talk it. You talk into that and I'll be the camera guy. Here we go. We got this.
We'll work it out. We'll tag team this.
Okay, here we go.
Okay. So, I managed to roll this baby out. Ooh. And we got it set in there. We've got a couple of Clecos in there and it's looking pretty darn good.
Yeah. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. It's super, super subtle. But yeah, it's going really well. Now, Jacob, you've been wanting to make that panel for weeks.
Yes, I just really have been wanting to get that put in there because then it'll really start to look like a car.
It will start to look like a car, but we have lots of work to do underneath before it was time to do that.
Right. That's why we're not welding it. We just have Clecos in it.
Mm-hmm. Instant gratification.
Wait a minute. I did this and this. And the other side.
Yeah, you're doing all the big fancy panels. You're coming in here being a glory hog. We're stuck here working, grinding, making all those little details, all the things that nobody sees that are horrible to do.
Really? You're gonna go there?
I'm kidding.
I helped you clean up this mess of a project you had.
Burn, super burn.
And this is how you treat me? This is how you treat me?
It's so hard to escape when I'm the guy holding the camera.
Where you gonna go, man?
No, wow, damn. Okay, so why don't we build some stuff?
Sounds great.
Okay, time lapse, engage. Holy crap, you guys. So that's going to be it for today. Obviously, I can't thank Jacob enough. I was stuck on phone calls large portion of the day and only got to do a little bit of welding and a lot of ball busting, not the least of which, as you saw, was the piece of sheet metal who was literally trying to bust my balls. But Jacob, I can't thank you enough for helping me out today, man.
I am really pleased with what's got accomplished today. It's been fun. It's been a real fun day.
Oh, definitely. And you missed it. Right after I got Jacob riled up, he goes, "Come at me, bro." I wish you would have said that on camera. That would have been great.
Yeah.
Yeah. But anyway, no, your panels here, those fit perfectly. They look awesome.
Yep.
And
Can't wait till we can't weld them in now, but it'd be nice when they get them all put in place.
Yeah, how much fun would it be if we could weld those in right now?
Oh, that'd be awesome.
Yeah, we still have to be able to get behind it to do some work on the sheet metal here.
Well, we got to finish those panels on the side first.
Yeah, the things you were calling apertures, these
Yep.
guys. Yeah, we got to do those. In the cockpit there, I was working on the transition of the floor going up the back of where the metal is and where you sit for the sake of the airflow going into the radiator. Before, the way we had it was just too steep of a transition. It would create a big boundary layer. We would have gotten terrible flow into the radiator. So that's what we're going on there. But tomorrow, Doug's going to be here, and we're going to work on that. We're going to put the Indy chassis up here to build the Formula One hot rod and just keep going with the King Zero, you guys. But today, hope you enjoyed the music and the time lapse. It's just kind of a fun day, work week, getting things going, getting more panels. But it's turning into a car.
Yeah, it's looking good.
What are you most excited about in the future?
Well, I just looked at when we put that panel in place and look at that sweeping curve. That got me excited.
Yeah, same here, same here. And when we get these panels all welded in those, and we'll get this side for the where the windows are going to be. We'll get the channels around the lid in the front. We got to redo the nose. Yeah, it won't be too bad. I think it'll be fun. But I can't wait, and really appreciate you guys watching. If you're not subscribed, you got to. This is going to be the place to be with amazing builds coming up. And thanks for watching, you guys.
See ya.
Cool thing happening right now at the Packard American Motor Company. They're debuting their very first watch. This is the 1899 Model A. It's a mechanical automatic movement with a beautiful stainless steel case. All the parts are made in Switzerland, and it's assembled right here in the United States. If you happen to have a Packard, you can get your serial number engraved right on it, but you guys need to go to packardamerica.us. This particular watch is mine. I'm looking very forward to wearing it more. It's frankly very comfortable and one of the best watches I've ever had. But this one's mine, not yours. You can't have it. Get your own. packardamerica.us.